Welcome back. With me I have Jennifer Whitney. She's going to show us how to make almond milk, right?
Yep.
Oh, great.
Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make almond milk. This is an excellent dairy-free choice, and it's very, very easy. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to soak almonds for 8 to 12 hours in your refrigerator overnight.
And why do you do that?
It just helps them so that they're a lot softer and they're easier to blend and they're actually a lot easier to digest.
Oh, okay.
And so you're going to soak 1 cup of almonds to 4 cups of water. And these are already pre-soaked. And then in the morning you just want to drain that water out, and you're going to take some new fresh water, and you want to use, I definitely recommend filtered water. So we're going to put 4 cups of filtered water into this blender. And then we're going to put our 1 cup of soaked almonds. And these are great. They're an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, vitamin E, which is great for anti-aging.
They also have a lot of B17, known as Laetrile, which is great for anyone dealing with cancer or protecting against cancer.
Yeah. Yeah, and then the next ingredient is going to be 3 dates. And this is what we're going to use as our natural sweetener. And I recommend just buying the raw dates. And you just want to take the seeds out. So you're going to go ahead and put these in, and then it's just 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're just going to go ahead and turn this on, and we're going to blend it. And that's it. We have almond milk.
That's it?
Well, we're going to take, this is called a nut milk bag, and you can buy these at any health food store.
Yeah.
And I definitely recommend using these because they make it really, really simple to do the last step. Which is
you can buy, I mean, there's so many people dealing with food sensitivities, and especially dairy sensitivity.
Right,
and yeah,
exactly.
you have these with sinus issues and respiratory and also digestive, and people tend to gravitate then towards things like almond milk, hemp milk, as a as an alternative
milk choice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the most common that I see in our office, and just a lot of people that I know that have a dairy sensitivity, they're usually buying almond milk.
Yeah.
So this is just fresher, and it's very easy to make, and you're just going to pour it through this bag. And we're going to strain out the pulp, and you can actually use this pulp in muffins or baked goods as a source of fiber. You can just dehydrate it and reuse it, but you're just going to squeeze out this milk, and that's it.
Because you have people doing going gluten-free, for instance, and then they use almond meal, right, and baking, baking bread, etc.
Yeah, especially for the paleo diet, and almond flour is very expensive.
Yeah.
Because it's a great source of fiber, and it's very, very good for you. So
this way you get a little bit of both, and I mean, you can buy almond milk in the store, but this would be an extremely cheap way of making it.
Yeah, and healthier, because there's nothing in it, just almonds and filtered water, and then a little bit of vanilla and raw dates.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Beautiful.
So
beautiful.
here you go.
Do I get a taste?
Yep.
Cheers. It was really good.
Thank you.
It was really good.
Yeah, that is really good, isn't it?
So after this, we'll be right back. Thanks.